This is my egg decorating competition entry. It is called the Eggstraodinary Circus.
And I think I'm going to close it up. So do you want to tell me about the different characters?
So over here is the fortune teller, Mystic Meg.
Yeah, she's cute.
Here is Madam Agatha, the tightrope walker. Here is Peggy and Eggy, the twins.
Oh, yes.
He's the cannonballer, whatever it's called.
Yes.
And the strong woman.
Yeah.
This is Gregory the Ringmaster, and here's Eggstraodinary the clown.
Yeah, I quite like Eggstraodinary. He's my favourite. And what other features have we got here?
So over here we've got the ticket office.
So yeah, that's an old cowpole box, isn't it? And he's balanced on an egg carton thingy to make him stand up, isn't he? And then what else? We've got lots of audience people, right?
Here's someone having a fortune being told in the ball. And then there are lots of audience here.
Yeah, so you didn't do those as detailed, right? Because they're just the audience members, but you did more detail in the characters, right?
Yeah.
And then, so you did all the painting of the eggs, and I helped you with the assembly, didn't we? It's like a pizza box, this. And we cut off the strips on the sides and used that to make the rim, which you painted. And then underneath here, there's just some extra bits just to hold the stage up, and we sort of hot glue gun all of that together, right? Mm-hmm. Is there anything else to say about it?
No.
No. Anyway, I think it's fabulous. Thank you. Bye. Here we have Mr. Gregory the Ringmaster. He is painted red for his ringmaster suit. He's got a great big paper hat and a paper stick with a little bit of a woolly moustache. So here we have Eggy Weggy. I love his two-toned little suit. He has these fun big feet, so he can actually stand up by himself. And I just think the white face looks really good against the egg-shaped colours. Anyway, so that's Eggy Weggy. So we decided a strong woman would be a good in order. So she's got a leopard skin sort of strong person's outfit. She has some pom-pom and toothpick weights. And she's very, very strong. She's twin eggs again. Peggy, the strong woman, and Eggy, the daredevil cannon shooting egg, although I think he's looking a little bit worried. Here we have Madam Agatha, the tight rope walker. She has her spangly suit made from sequins and a little skirt made from felt. She's also got some nice glitter details on her face, and her hair is made by gluing on wool onto the top of the egg and then making a little scrunchy ball that's then stuck on top. So that's Madam Agatha, really cute.
This is my ticket office for my circus egg competition entry.
What's the ticket office made from? What kind of box is it?
The ticket office is made out of a cowpole box.
What did you do to it?
Well, so we painted it and we added some decorations and wrote the sign here.
And what's propping up the little ticket man inside, or woman? Look, can you see? What is it?
What's propping it up is one of the spikes which are inside an egg carton.
There you go. Great.